In the ever-evolving field of financial analysis, efficiency and accuracy in creating financial statements are paramount. This module delves into how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the preparation of financial statements by automating and optimizing these tasks. By harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT, financial professionals can reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and focus on strategic analysis and decision making. In this module, we will focus on the creation of income statements using ChatGPT. We will work through a practical example using a hypothetical company XYZ Corp. Here, in the Excel file, you can see revenue figures, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and other income and expenses for the years 2021, 2022, and 2023. Additionally, there is a consistent tax rate of 25%. In our Excel file, we also have a blank sheet titled Financial Statements, where we will be adding the financial statements created by ChatGPT. Let's demonstrate how we can automate the building of income statements using ChatGPT. We will attach the financial information in Excel to the ChatGPT 4 browser alongside the following prompt. Using the following historical data for XYZ Corp, create income statements for the years 2021, 2022, and 2023. In response to our prompt, ChatGPT demonstrates the detailed process of building income statements for XYZ Corp over a 3-year period from 2021 to 2023. The AI outlines a clear and systematic method for constructing each component of the income statement, focusing on essential financial elements such as revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expenses, other income and expenses, and finally, income taxes. ChatGPT begins by calculating gross profit, which involves subtracting COGS or cost of goods sold from revenue, establishing the foundational metric of profitability. It then progresses to determine operating income by deducting operating expenses from gross profit, effectively showcasing the company's operational efficiency. Further refining the financial statements, ChatGPT integrates other income and expenses with the operating income to derive income before taxes. This inclusion is critical as it accounts for non operational financial activities that influence the overall taxable income. Subsequently, the AI applies a consistent tax rate of 25% to compute the income tax, demonstrating its understanding of the implications of tax regulations on corporate profits. The final step in constructing each year's income statement is the calculation of net income, achieved by subtracting the calculated income tax from the income before taxes. This result not only represents the net earnings of XYZ Corp, but also serves as a crucial indicator of the company's profitability after all financial activities and tax obligations. Throughout this demonstration, ChatGPT exhibits not only its capability to manage complex financial calculations, but also its proficiency in presenting them in a logical, organized manner. Each step in the construction of the income statements is methodically presented, ensuring clarity and comprehensibility. This detailed approach highlights how AI tools like ChatGPT can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of financial statement creation, providing a valuable asset for finance professionals and stakeholders looking to streamline their financial reporting process. We will now request ChatGPT to present these income statements in a tabular format with the prompt, "Great. Now provide these income statements in a tabular format." After ChatGPT generates the table, we will copy it and paste it into the Financial Statements tab in our Excel file. These statements are crucial for financial analysis, offering insights into cost management, operational efficiency, and overall financial health over time. To conclude, harnessing ChatGPT for income statement creation streamlines financial reporting with precision and efficiency. By automating complex calculations, minimizing errors, and presenting data comprehensively, ChatGPT enhances decision making capabilities. In the upcoming module, we'll delve into projecting income statements to forecast future financial performance using ChatGPT.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.